not scared of nobody. Sometimes the coach would have to talk to me and tell me so easy. Enough time because you know, once I lace my shoes and my socks drop.
Here is Boyd. Still Boyd. Very skillful player. He cracks the shot from 25 yards out. And this is Hamilton turning dangerously in front of the penalty box. And this is Boyd. Oh, that's a good dummy. Still Boyd going down the right flank and finds Christopher Zeta. And that's a good pass. Hamilton searching here for Boyd, who is gone. Here is Boyd. Boyd for the Lions, and Boyd shoots, scores! Tremendous goal by Walter Boyd in the 42nd minute. That's a well-taken goal. He picked up an excellent pass from Hamilton. He took the defense to the left. Goalkeeper Louis Mark Eric went with him, and Boyd shot behind the goalkeeper to make it Kingston Lions 3 and SXM Panthers 0. Long inside. This is Boyd. Here is Boyd turning away. Still Boyd. Oh, Boyd dummies his man. Boyd has gone inside. Shoots, scores! What a beautiful goal by Walter Boyd! Oh, that's a sweet pass. This is Walter Boyd who's gone inside. Here is Boyd. Still Boyd. Boyd looking for a third, scores! Walter Boyd knocks in number 3 for himself.